opportunity, fantastic occasion for you to reward, because there's a season for planting, there's a season for harvest. If you help the students and recognize a little bit of what they've done, they want to do more. The parents want to do more, and then the level rises for excellence. So this is why I enjoy this type of occasion, because it's not just the clapping of hands, it's the psychological recognition that even if your school doesn't recognize you, other people recognize you. And that's why I'm very grateful to Excel Tutors for bringing this particular component to learning. Because being inside the classroom, without the reward for the seed you planted can be very demoralizing. So I know today they will go home and work harder, they will be more patient, and they will achieve more, because Excel Tutor says to achieve is good. That's essentially what it is.